hail has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Leavenworth County, southern Buchanan County, northwestern Clay County, western Clinton County, northern Platte County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:43 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Latina to 7 miles southeast of Rush Hill to Weston, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations impacted include Platte City, Howard, Smithville, Plattsburgh, Tracy, Dearborn, Camden Point, Agency, Edgerton, Trimble, Fawcett, Hooper, Ridgely, and Easton. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Leavenworth County, Kansas, and the following counties in Missouri: Buchanan,